Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, this week both the indices moving up, Nifty and Bank Nifty again moving up this week. But the interesting thing to see is that the buying that is happening is not really that good, right? Even on Thursday, which was the last trading session for the last week, market went up very good, but in the end we again saw selling, right? Same thing with Nifty also, Nifty taking resistance from the all-time high, right? So what should happen over here, right? Are we going to see very good momentum again, which is going to push the market up, and are we going to go up very fast from here, or are we again going to sink down, right? That's the question that needs to be asked. So over here, if you see in the 5 minute chart, first of all, let's go into the weekly charts and see what exactly is going to happen, and then we'll go into the daily view, right? Again. Over here, if you see, market is still in a range over here, right? There is resistance of 48,000 on the upside, support of 46,000, 45,800 on the downside. So yes, market has to move somewhere. Market has not really moved. Maybe one more week until unless these major points are not taken out over here at lower levels also, and at higher levels also, market will not really give us a very good momentum, right? Again, when these levels will be broken in the daily charts, we will see strong closing happening, right? Any of this, like these closings that you see, no closing is very strong over here for the buyer or the seller, right? This was sort of a strong closing for the buyer, this was strong closing for the seller, this was strong closing, but after that there are no strong closings. All of the candles have wicks. That means the buyers and sellers are still confused over here, right? People cannot decide where exactly do we need to take the market to. Do we need to go up from here, or do we need to go down? Same thing with Nifty also, if you see. But for Nifty, if you see, there was good strong selling in Nifty over here, but after that Nifty has also sort of just fizzled out, and there are a lot of wicks in the market, right? And because of this, there has also been trading in general for positional people like me has also become very hard. Although in the month of March I did not really trade a lot because of my exams. So yes, because of that I was lucky to save a little bit of losses for myself. But anyways, in Nifty above 22,500, if we get a closing one day, we will see a strong 500 point momentum, because then people, all the sellers who are holding their basically their selling position, they will need to get out finally, right? So about 22,500 in Nifty is where we will see good momentum, and above 48,000 in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is still in a very wide range, and for Bank Nifty, 48,000 is going to be the level, 48,000 to 48,200, which will take all of the sellers out of the market, right? So before that, there is not really any sort of a level that can trigger a very good short covering in Bank Nifty. Although if Nifty does go up, right, if Nifty breaks its all-time high, Bank Nifty will also see some strength coming in itself, and then we can also see good momentum coming in Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty, 46,550 to 600, this lower level over here is going to be very important. If we get below this lower level, if we go below this lower level, chances are maybe we might even see very good selling coming in Bank Nifty. For Nifty, it is a little bit lower at 21,900 to 950, right? In below this level is where we will see very sharp selling coming in the market, because if you see, market, the buying that is coming is not really coming very fast over here, right? The buyers should have taken the market up, they've gotten a lot of chances, but again and again we can, the market is not able to go up, right? And again, if you see, strong buying coming in from lower levels, but this time the buying has also slowed down. So again, I'm not saying that tomorrow itself the market will go ahead and crash or something, right? Please look at the price action. Where is the market going, and where are we trying to go? Are we trying to go up, or are we trying to go down, right? Same thing with Nifty also. If tomorrow we start closing below 22,100, right, that will be our first 22,150, that will be our first sign of caution. And in Bank Nifty, it will be 46,500. If we close near 46,500 or below that, that will be a sign of caution, and that is where we will think about taking a selling position or keeping a selling stance in the market, because then the market will not be able to hold higher levels, and then we will go down very fast from there. Talking about the 15-minute chart, where exactly can the market go? Now, if you see, Bank Nifty has just broken out of this box over here, or range you can say, and now Bank Nifty has closed above that range, which is good. Again, if market is holding 47,000 tomorrow, and if you're seeing that market is making positive price action from this zone, then we will still stick to selling. Our first target will be 47,400, and if the market is holding higher levels, you can keep hold your positions for much bigger targets, at higher levels, right? Again, uh, if 47,000 is broken, then we will not take a buying position, because this zone in between will be very volatile, and things will be very crucial over here, right? If market somehow breaks 46,500, then this will be a proper breakout failure, and then only will we think about taking a selling position in the market. However, if you want to take a selling position before that, you can take a selling position once we see a negative price action being built below 46,900, right? Below 46,900, if we see that market is making lower lows in 5-minute chart, then you can go ahead and take a selling position till 46,550 to 600 at lower lows. But please keep your quantity less, because only below 46,500, or sorry, 550 to 600 will we get a proper confirmation that yes, the market is will continue to move down from there. Talking about Nifty, at lower levels cannot really sell, because there are multiple supports at every level. So for Nifty, we will need to let the market decide and close one day at lower levels, and only then we will think about buying. At higher levels also, only about 22,500, once we see proper price action in 5-minute chart, is where we can buy, and then we can keep a target of 22,600 and then 22,700 also. But yes, in this zone in the middle, we can't really do anything, right? So yeah, for tomorrow, best thing would be to wait. If you have the patience, wait for tomorrow, let the market decide where it wants to close, because this selling, right, this can also just be a profit booking because of the long weekend that was over here, right? Because markets, if you see, were open on 28th, right? And then there was 29, 30, and today 31st, where the market is closed. So 3 days of a big 3 days of market closing, maybe people might have decided to book their profits and go home with small quantity, right? And if that is the case, then from Monday itself, we will again see buying coming in the market, right? So tomorrow is the day where we will get to know, is the market trying to go up, or is the market trying to come down from here? What is the sort of a big trend that the market can catch in the coming weeks, right? So again, there definitely is going to be a big trend, and yes, this basically this time that the market is in right now, or in this sort of state where the market is going up, going down, going up, going down, for all the positional players, yes, this is going to be a very hard time. And again, for me also, it is a hard time, not a very hard time, just I'm in a normal drawdown. But yes, if the market can sustain itself at higher levels for just a little more time, then we can expect a very, very good rally, which will even take us to 24,000 with ease, right? And Bank Nifty can also go to 50,000 very fast. But if we are holding lower levels, then same thing for lower levels also. 42,000 will be in a very easy thing to touch, and in Bank Nifty 20,800 will also be a very easy level to touch. So yeah, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. And again, uh, what I want to say is, just try to preserve your capital in a time like this. If you are a trend catcher, if you are a player who, if you are a trader who, trades trends, then just try to preserve your capital over here, and just let the market decide a proper trend, and then we can make a lot of money in very less time, right? So yeah, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.